to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph. Yes, you saw that thumbnail correctly. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make that today. This is going to be so scrumptious, 100% vegan, 100% plant-based. I focus on the gut and that right there, the colors of the rainbow. Why the colors of the rainbow? The more antioxidants, the more amino acid profile, the higher the vitamins, the wider range of nutrients. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. Let's get into it. Okay, check out this little spread we have here. Let me show you what's going on. I'm excited to do this. Portion control, I do not like the word. I absolutely hate it. We have some vegan chocolate chips. You can go ahead and buy at Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, online or anywhere. We have some hemp seeds, which are the middle of the hemp hearts. Tons and tons and tons of fiber, amino acid profile. I give this bad boy a thumbs up all the time. Shredded coconut right here, unsweetened. We have some tea that we're going to go ahead and pour right now because at the end of every meal, what do I like? I like tea. This right here, yerba mate. We have some calendula flowers, and we have hibiscus. There you go, changing the colors. You see that? Going from clear all the way to dark red, guys. We're going to go ahead and let that sit right here. We'll put that over there. Put the top on that bad boy. Okay, we have sunflower butter. I love sunflower butter. It's low FODMAP to me. It's great for the gut. Okay, I'm not diagnosed with celiac. I'm not diagnosed with Crohn's disease. I do not have IBS, and I tend to stay on a low type of FODMAP diet and or lifestyle. Okay, let me see what else we have here. We have right here. We have cocoa powder, not the packages you buy in the store. Unsweetened, raw, no sugar, that's it. We have some organic cinnamon right here. We're going to go ahead and do some dusting with these bad boys afterwards. Let me talk about these bananas right here. You're thinking to yourself, yeah, those are bananas. No, they're not bananas. We have this one right here, okay, spotted. And I don't have a darker one, so this is going to have to do for now. And I do have a middle of the road one, and then I do have a mostly green one, guys. Let me go ahead and break this down for you real quick. Okay? If there was a darker one over here, okay? This one right here is going to have the highest sugar content. What's it going to do? Spike your insulin. Okay, it's going to spike your blood sugar, guys. That's what it's going to do. Your pancreas is going to release what? Okay, it's going to release a hormone, insulin, to bring it down. Okay, that's the pancreas's job. So this right here has the highest sugar content. This one right here, the lowest vitamin, the lowest amount of vitamin in this one right here. And as you go up, you ready for this? This one right here has the highest antioxidant level, okay? This one, the highest resistant starch, adds bulk to your stool, highest fiber, lowest fiber. Do you see the difference next time you go ahead and grab a banana? Just be mindful of that. But we're going to get rid of this one, and we're going to get rid of this one. We are going to use this one, the highest resistant starch. Why? Because that's what I absolutely love. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of the peel. Here's what we're going to do. This is an incredible snack. You're just going to go ahead and slice it long ways. Okay? Please don't cut yourself, guys. Okay? So once you cut it long ways, you flip it over and you have that. But you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and use the middle ground one also because I'm hungry. All right? I just got done with a nice workout, and we're going to go ahead and use this one only because it's a little bit softer also. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and cut this one also. Spread that puppy like that. Now if you get the really big bananas, wow, that right there is a meal in itself. Okay, so this is where the creativity comes in, guys. You could do so much right here. I'm going to go ahead and slather these guys with sunflower butter. If you're not familiar with low FODMAP foods, I suggest you go ahead and research that, guys. That's the sugar content in foods and how your body really kind of absorbs it, breaks it down, and just doesn't really agree with your stomach. Look at that. Wow. So sunflower butter, if you haven't had it, it's just sunflower butter, sunflower seeds ground up. That's it. There's no sugar in here. There's no extra palm oil. There's nothing in here. So that's that. We can get rid of this. All right. So now this looks yummy already. Let's go ahead and do some hemp seeds. These guys will melt in your mouth. Literally melt in your mouth. They're the middle of those are hemp hearts. The middle of the hemp seeds, guys. We have that. We're going to do some shredded coconut on these bad boys. That guy right there. You got the good fat from the sunflower butter. You have the good fat from the coconut. Look at that already. I know. I could smell it over here and it's smelling pretty good. We're going to put these guys over here. We have vegan chocolate chips. This is a great post and or pre-workout meal to replenish your glycogen stores. And we're going to go ahead and put that one right there. And you know what I just thought of? I don't have in the picture. I'm going to go ahead and snag some raspberries. Some good raspberries. Some Trader Joe's organic ones. So give me a moment and I'll be right back. All right, look what I got. Frozen Trader Joe's raspberries. The one thing that I like about raspberries, fiber content, hydration, for the gut, for the skin, everything underneath the sun. So we're going to go ahead and add some color. Again, there's no rhyme or reason on this. The more colors you have, the more antioxidants you will receive in all the food, guys. Let me get some good pieces here. That's looking mighty awesome. We have this one over here. I'm going to put that over there. Sprinkle little pieces over here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up picture like I always do. Wow, this looks damn awesome. Look at that. Wow. Yes, that looks so good. There you have it. We have four amazing post and or pre low FODMAP type of IBS foods, great for the gut, high fiber, the highest vitamin content, insoluble, resistant starch. Yummy, tasty, low sugar, ready for you. Thank you for watching. My name is Joseph. Be well, be safe, most of all, be yourself. Eat the colors of the rainbow, guys, all right? Wider range of nutrients. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.